मजा आया.
Look at that.
Don't ask me anything.
What's going on right here? John's here too. How's the fasting going on? She's wearing same as Sana. Good observation. Everyone's wearing red. So far, how's your Karwa Chauth going?
Amazing. Fasting. A little hungry.
These look pretty good. Akash is also fasting. This guy is the best at making these.
I know. They're not done
These
yet.
pies are the best. We're gonna do moonwalk here, right? Moonwalk.
So pretty.
Thought to add myself in the video. So what'd you put here, man?
John's aunt actually gave it to us for
Okay.
our wedding. Underneath it, there's like a picture of John. But I just have garland. We have nuts and
So you're gonna have all that when you break your fast?
yeah, chutney just for decoration.
What about these? Why are they so empty? I don't like this. Don't like.
Happy Karwa Chauth!
What's happening with Karwa Chauth?
Drive out to find the moon.
When it's cloudy, what do you do?
So you go drive and find the moon. If you
Sometimes
can
it's cloudy.
absolutely cannot see
Yeah.
it, then you can break it.
My man right there, Akash said, just watch the damn TV and break the fast.
These guys are trying to convince us to look at a TV screen and break our fast.
Do that. Out to find the moon. What's the report?
It's out 10 minutes, it will be fully high.
Moon's going to be at our backyard in about 10 minutes.
These guys think we're doing it for them, but really it's for the Bollywood effect.
Looks like almost you guys got the same dress.
Guys, look at each other.
Where's your partner? And now he's going to the moon to see the moon.
I'm gonna throw him out.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
No, he's so cute. That's Sana's Sally also. क्या हो रहा है यार? ये water गिरे जा रहे हैं.
You change the whole thing?
What's happening?
पानी गिर गया तो सुखा रहा है.
We're good.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
He's getting taken away. The wind's gonna blow it out.
तुम्हारा भी बड़ी
सबका कुछ गया.
Damn.
The only one that.
Happy Karwa Chauth!
Nothing here but street light.
मजा आया.
I'm dead.
Yeah, let's go back. Okay.
Alright, I guess no moon.
You did it for him, for heart. That's all matters.
Just for quick.
Now what? You not
Yeah, he's gonna feed you now.
My turn? Can you give me water?
Yeah, here you have it.
Any final comments?
It was good, man.
Together?
Check this out, guys.
Whoa. Look at all these amazing carbs.
Beautiful
That was
thali.
awesome. First Karwa Chauth. How was your experience?
It was so much fun.
You
Yeah.
made something
Ate so much
for-
food.
for
Beautiful
Did you
moon.
fast today?
Yeah.
Yeah, how was the moon?
I was pretty hungry. The moon was beautiful.
Yeah. What about your fast, Anna?
What fast?
She finessed everyone. She's been eating all day long. Yeah. John's like, stop this. I have work tomorrow. Stop this nonsense. Peace. Peace.
Love you guys.
What a savage. Gone.